Okay, so welcome to my channel, Stephanie Frank. So I'll be taking you through the SQL, right? So currently I'm using my Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, right, to write my scripts, to write my queries, right? And this is a console, this is how it looks like, right? So for me to be able to execute a new query, I come up here, I click on new query. Now I want to be able to select all customers within my company, right? So we're going to be using the select statement, which is select all. Let me paste it. I have it already. Select all from customer divisions, right? When I execute this, I have this, right? So for me to be able to know a particular division name, like I'm looking for a division name, I'm going to use the where clause, which is where division name is going to populate, right, like use the up and sound, yeah, like hassa. Let's see, put this, don't forget to put your quotes, you execute. See, there's something called asa, right? So this is how to select this is how to select clients from a particular from a division name. Thank you.